Waterproof makeup is essential, whether you're heading to the beach, attending a summer wedding, or enduring hot, muggy weather. It keeps your look in place all day. Start with a clean face using a gentle cleanser, then apply an oil-free moisturizer to prep your skin. Use a long-lasting primer suited for your skin type to create a smooth base. Choose a waterproof foundation and apply it with a damp sponge for a flawless finish. Conceal redness or dark circles with waterproof concealer, blending well and setting with translucent powder. Shape and set your brows with waterproof products to prevent smudging. Apply smudge-proof eyeshadow and eyeliner, using primers for extra staying power. Finish your eye look with waterproof mascara to keep lashes lifted and defined. Prep your lips with exfoliation and a primer, then line with waterproof lip liner. Choose a waterproof lipstick or stain, blot, and add a second coat for durability. Set your makeup with a translucent powder and finish with a waterproof setting spray. For removal, use gentle, waterproof makeup removers, followed by cleansing and moisturizing. With the right products and techniques, your waterproof makeup will last all day, no matter the occasion.